Welcome to Knowledge Simplified. If you've ever wondered how people make money with real estate, you're in the right place, did. You know, a single rental property can make thousands of dollars a year in passive income. Real estate investing means buying property to earn money. There are three main ways to make money. People love real estate because it generates passive income, tangible assets, inflation protection, and tax benefits. Step 1. Learn your market. Step 5. Leverage REITs if needed. Here are some mistakes beginners make. Buying without research, ignoring hidden costs. To succeed in real estate, start with rental property in growing areas. Network. Be patient. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more guides on real estate, finance, and wealth.